Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to import a Microsoft Excel or CSV file into Act CRM Classic. So to do that, the first thing you need to know is, okay, where's my data? And I know that data, that file is on the desktop of my computer. So I'm going to go up and click on Tools, Import. I'm going to browse to where I find my file. So when it comes to file name and location, right here I'm going to click on Browse. I'm going to navigate to the desktop of my computer. And here, right there, is my demo data. And I'm going to click Open. Fills it in. I'm going to click on Next. I'm going to do a typical or custom import. In this case, I'm going to do a custom import just to show you a little bit more about what it looks like. Do I want to import the first record? No. And typically the first record is the field headings, so you can exclude that one. It would not hurt anything if you brought it in, but I'm just not going to. So what it's showing me is all the data and it's matching it together. Now, as a rule of thumb, if you know what your data is and you know it's similar to what you're bringing into Act, just let this go. Let it be what it is. And for this example, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. I'm going to make the assumption that the fields are mapping properly. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to choose how do I want to bring these records in if they're the same. And in this case, I'm going to put Do Not Change. Now I know in this case, this is something that's open for a wider discussion, but the one thing I want to show you about or talk to you about importing is the fact that this takes a little bit of time and practice and thought before you even get to this point. I'm just showing you technically how to do this. My concern is not in this video as much making sure everything is accurate as just showing you how it actually works. So when I click on Next and then Import, it's going to import my contacts into Act CRM Classic. The thing about importing is you've got to really open up the data you're trying to import and make sure it's good and clean and set up properly long before you get to this point. So if you get some kind of file that you're planning on importing, then focus your attention on making sure you understand the way that data is set up, making sure everything's accurate in that file before you ever attempt the import. I'm going to click on Finish. You'll notice right now there's one contact in Act. If I go up and go look up all contacts, we're going to see it imported all the information, an additional 204 contacts. And if I go forward, you'll see it all got lined up pretty good. Now I knew the nature of the data I was bringing in and I knew it would line up properly. So that's how you do an import. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.